The air filter housing, red arrow, and the intake pipe connected to the bottom of it are located in the right front of the engine compartment. Begin by removing the overflow hose from the radiator to the expansion tank. Use a flathead screwdriver and remove the hose clamp and hose from either the radiator or the expansion tank. Use care as the plastic nipples can get very brittle. Use a 10mm socket and remove the connector from the air box to the expansion tank as indicated by the red arrow. Separate the hose from the valve cover to the top of the air filter housing, red arrow. It's easier to remove one of the hose connections and leave the hose attached to the top of the lid, as the lid connection can be very brittle. Use a 13mm socket and remove the bolt holding the lid on, yellow arrow. Remove the lid and lift the filter out, then compress and separate the air inlet from the fender. Use a Phillips screwdriver and remove the 2 screws that hold the front air filter housing mount to the front cross member, and remove the mount. Lift the air filter housing out, disconnecting it from the air intake pipe, red arrow. Use a Phillips screwdriver and loosen the hose clamp and pull the air intake pipe, yellow arrow, off the turbo inlet, red arrow. Installation is the reverse of removal. Thanks for watching. Click here to view the original article along with hundreds of other DIY content for your car.